Hello everybody, I'm here with this interesting activity box from Scotty's sWanderQuest. So firstly, I open the box and try to locate Italy in the world map. Here's my passport and boarding pass, and off I fly. This box helps us to explore, learn and discover about Italy. So here's a little booklet, and I came to know that Italy is in Europe. The capital of Italy is Rome, and the language spoken there is Italian. And few of the biggest cities of Italy are Rome, Naples and Milan. I learned about the architecture and history of the city. I learned about the Colosseum. See? I learned about the leaning tower of Pisa and the floating city Venice. I learned about the favorite food pizza, the famous cars, and the favorite sport. So that was all, and now I'm going to show you a few activities which I did. I colored this gondola. I took over the world map challenge, in which I had to stick the cities at the right place. So here's my most favorite Pinocchio. And there are few more puzzles and crosswords left, which I'm going to do soon. Okay, that's all in this interesting box. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.